The Era of 3D Printers by Aaron Gonzalez. The essential parts of a 3D printer include a mechanical arm that can move in all three dimensions, a gun attached to the arm, which is in charge of delivering materials, and a platform, which will be the place where the first layer of the object will be applied. 3D printers work with special designing software, such as CAD, to build three-dimensional objects from the ground up using a layer-by-layer method. The process of printing. First step to consider is to either download or create a design. When the design is finally selected, print the object. Some objects may take up to 8 hours depending on the quality of the printer. Then, retrieve the object and start the process all over again. This new technology will revolutionize how the industry works. People can now print any imaginable object. There are limitless objects to print, from cartilage replacement to entire houses. The good news is that prices are decreasing. There are at least three noticeable industry areas that will change completely due to 3D printing. The first business is shopping. Instead of going to a store in order to buy an iPhone case, buy a design online just like the one in the picture and simply print it. The second business that will change is construction. There is a giant 3D prototype printer, modeled in the picture, that is able to build houses in just 20 hours and the ability to create buildings. Arts will be another business that will change due to this new technology. Artists can now purchase 3D printers to print anything and with the use of any materials. The only thing that can limit an artist is his own imagination. Other minor areas that may benefit from 3D printing may include medicine, education, and even science. 3D printing will bring almost anything to our hands. Scientists are now developing new ways to bring other types of materials, such as food, drinks, and even body parts.